Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Flow 6 Lite, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first you can quickly access power saving mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, select power saving mode icon. Here we've got battery saver, click on it, and that's it. As you can see, now your device is in low power solution, and then if you would like to switch it off, click on the same icon one more time. And that's basically all. And now I will show you how to access this mode, this low power solution, through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to the battery, and now you can activate the battery saver by tapping on this switcher, just like that. Now it's active, and then if you'd like to deactivate power saving mode, you can switch it off the same way. If you will click on battery saver on this side, you can turn on automatic setup, so simply click on turn on automatically, and now you can pick particular battery level, so it can be 5 or 15%. Let me pick 15, and from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, low power solution will be automatically activated. And that's basically all, so you can schedule your power saving mode and how you can turn it on and off. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.